Welcome to ArtMagic.
Let's dive into the world of imagination and learn how to bring these charming penguins to life. Discover the joy of drawing with our simple step-by-step guide on how to draw two adorable penguins holding a love-signed banner. Begin by drawing two compact oval shapes for the penguins' bodies, creating a foundation for a cute and endearing look. Define the penguins by adding round eyes, a sweet smile, and flipper-like wings. Keep the proportions charming and ensure a delightful appearance. Perfect for kids, this tutorial not only enhances their artistic skills but also adds a delightful touch to their creative journey. Illustrate the penguins holding hands and draw a wavy love banner between their flippers, adding a heart shape for a touch of sweetness. Enhance your sketch by outlining it with a black pen, giving your penguins and love banner a polished and eye-catching finish. Bring your artwork to life by coloring the penguins with classic black and white hues. Add a burst of color to the love banner, allowing your creativity to shine. Consider drawing a simple background, such as icy snowflakes or a snowy landscape, to complete the scene and add a magical touch. Celebrate your artistic achievement. By following these easy steps, kids can create a charming masterpiece of two penguins holding a love banner. Share your creation with friends and family, and don't forget to experiment with different poses and colors to make each drawing uniquely yours. Happy drawing! Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.